Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone heating issue after 17.5 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they're facing an issue of heating, that their iPhones are heating too much and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone heating issue after 17.5 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your environmental factors. High temperatures, direct sunlight, or using your iPhones while it's charging can cause it to heat up. Try to avoid exposing your iPhone to extreme heat or direct sunlight for prolonged period. After this, then you have to do is simply remove case or accessories. If you're using a case or any accessories with your iPhone, remove them and see if the device cools down. Sometimes cases or accessories can trap heat and contribute to overheating. After this, then you have to do is simply close the background apps. Running multiple apps in the background can put a strain on your iPhone's processor, causing it to heat up. You have to do is simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Like if my background apps are consuming, then I will simply close them all. So guys, after trying these steps, you have to do is simply turn off background app refresh. A background app refresh allows apps to update content in the background, which can contribute to overheating. To turn it off, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on the general. Now tap on background app refresh. Again tap on it and you have to make sure that it's off. After this, then you have to simply turn off the location services. Location services can also contribute to overheating, especially if multiple apps are using GPS. To turn it off, you have to go back and go to location service, privacy and security. Scroll up and tap on location services. Then you have to make sure that it's disabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and still facing the issue when your iPhones are heating, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone heating issue after 17.5 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.